Just another word to describe a person strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. It is indeed a high blessing to the first and last to witness the beginning and end of the life. In ancient times, the hospitals were horrible dirty places, and the sick were looked after at home. Those were not preferred to take care of men. One who takes care is looked down socially. Here the sick was still closely allied with superstition, religion, and magic. People used to drink or started much more than the healthcare facilities. During this dark period of nursing, on 12th of May 1820, a baby girl was born in a small town called Florence in Italy. She was the daughter of well-to-do English parents, and they wanted her to become a socialite. But she preferred to avoid it. Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick, and poor in the village near her from a very young age. When she determined to pursue her true calling, Nightingale approached her parents and told them about her ambition to become a nurse. They were not pleased and discouraged her in many ways. After much of the struggles with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as a nursing student in Lutheran Hospital, Germany in the 1844. She returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. And hence she was promoted as a superintendent within a year. In October 1853, a civil war broke out between England and Russia, which caused massive casualty and injury to the soldiers. The injured soldiers were taken to various base military camps, but Italy was in an uproar from the 1854 nurses to take care of the sick and foreign soldiers in the war site. Nightingale rose to her honor, making a single team of 34 nurses and sailed with them to Turkey, where her duty was assigned. In Turkey, she was shocked to see the overcrowded, unhygienic hospital. She was also given a cash award of $250,000. She decided to use the reward money to further her cause. In 1860, the first training school for nurses named as Nightingale Training School. Thereafter, Nightingale became a figure of public admiration. Young women ऊंचाई के शिखर पर पहुंची हुआ हर जगह मेरी परछाई है। अब वक्त बदला है और यहाँ हर किसी को मेरी जरूरत समझ आई है। कई वर्ष पहले बस जीएनएफ को सेहत की मैं अब दुनिया में बदलाव ला चुकी हूँ। अंग्रेजी को भी हासिल कर चुकी हूँ। मुश्किलों से लोगों से जुड़ गई हूँ। पहले सर से आंखों में उजाला करती थी, आज एक चिराग लेकर जो निकली थी, कहाँ तक मैं उसका प्रकाश फैला चुकी हूँ।